Lezi indaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli bukela inazi ezinohlonze emini nje.
Our aim is to make sure that on the first day of school starts.
Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uSiviwe Gwarube wethuleke uhlelo lokuvula kwezikole kuzwelonke onyakeni omusha olwaziwa nge-Back to School njengoba ibehambele kwesinye ke seyikole eNorth West.
I'm not here solely to respond to what Mr. Nkabinde had disclosed. Of course, what he said is the truth.
Owakwaba ke yibamba lomkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke Lieutenant General Khomoto Phahlani wethula ke ubufakazi bakhe phambi kwekomiti lesikhashana lasePhalamende eliphenya ke ngombutho wamaphoyisa iSAPS. uPhahlani ungokuqala kokwethula ubufakazi phambi kwe-ad hoc onyakeni omusha.
We will obviously be prioritizing the high-risk zones. We know that KZN is the epicenter, but many other provinces are also suffering.
Ungqongqoshe wezolimo uJohnston Hazen sememezeleke ngeinhlelo zokugonywa kwemfuyo kulandela ukubhidwa kwesifo samatele.
We are ready for this game, for all of these games that we play in this tournament. We try to play every game like the last, and we will give everything.
Kalumasibheke kwezemidlalo iSenegal izothelana ke phezulu neGibhithe emidlalweni ke owandulela kowamanqamo oqala weAFCON namuhla kusihlwa eTangier eMorocco. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni ke zehora lokuqala ezingunqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili la ku-SABC 1 eMzansi for sure kanjalo ke na ku-SABC le high. Igama lami nguDaud Phungula. Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uSiviwe Gwarube wethuleke uhlelo lokuvula kwezikole onyakeni omusha olwaziwa nge-Back to School. uGwarube ubehambele ke esikoleni samabanga aphansi eTsenolo elihlabile eBrits esifundazweni eNorth West.
Ungqongqoshe uGwarube uqale wamukela izingane egxile kakhulu kulezi ezizoqala ugrade R no-grade 1.
Fix your tie here. You must tie it up here and then see so yes, no flailing you guys saw it.
Ungqongqoshe uthi inhloso yabo ukuqinisekisa ukuthi kuqala ukufunda ngosuku lokuqala lokuvulwa kwezikole.
We planned the year before to make sure that stationery is ordered, textbooks are ordered, things like furnitures are ordered in time, so that our aim is to make sure that on the first day of school starts, the first lesson, the first day of school.
Ubese shayela ke ihlombe abazali bakuleli ngokulalela isicelo somnyango sokuthi izingane kufanele ziqale ukufunda ku grade R njengoba isibalo salabo abenza leli banga ezikoleni sinyuke kakhulu.
South Africans are heeding the call, the legislative call that says grade R is now compulsory and they are sending their children to school to receive this education.
uGwarube uthi othisha abakwazi ukufundisa izingane ezilambile ingakho uhulumeni esebenzise imali engu-10 billion wamarandi ngonyaka ohlelweni lokudla ezikoleni.
We cannot teach a hungry child. A child who is hungry cannot learn and they cannot meaningfully learn. And so that is why this huge investment by government is done.
Ubese fundela ke izingane incwadi.
One day, father and mother wolf saw a little baby crawl into their cave and they decided to keep him and call him Mwagli.
Uthe eqaleni konyaka uhlangane nabo bonke abengamele ezemfundo kuzo zonke izifundazwe bamnika umbiko ukuthi zonke izifundazwe sezimi ngomumo ngosuku lwanamhlanje lokuvulwa kwezikole.
Bekuyinjabulo yodwa kubafundi abaningi ezikoleni ezahlukene kuzwelonke njengoba ke zivuliwe ke namhlanje kanti labo abazokwenza ke ibanga likamatikuletsheni kulonyaka bathi babhekene ke nenkulu ingcindezi yokwenza kahle ke ukugcina ke izinga liphezulu kulandela ke imphumela emihle eyenziwe kabafundi bakamatikuletsheni onyakeni ophelile.
Very happy that they accepted me because like now there's some parents that are sitting at the office waiting for their children to get a school. So what can I say? It's all in God's hands.
Bajabula abafundi abasheshe bathola izikhala zokufunda ezikoleni njengoba abanye abazali besehla benyuka beqhiqa nezingane zabo beyifunela izikhala ezikoleni. Kusenjalo laba bazokwenza umatikuletsheni kulonyaka bathi babhekene nencindezi yokuvala umgodo ogujwe laba bebenza umatikuletsheni ngonyaka wedlule njengoba bephumelele kahle kakhulu nje.
I feel nervous actually. Yeah, the pressure, everything is just on your shoulders as class of 2026 and the pressure from class of 2025 yeah.
I can say that I'm excited, but at the same time I'm scared because there's a lot of pressure, as Nicole said, that acceptance to varsity finishing, it's a short space of time and with a lot of work. So there's a lot of work that we need to do as a class of 2025. And Mem said that, our principal said that she wants 100% pass rate.
Injabulo yodwa kubazali ababona izingane zabo ziyoqala esikoleni.
More you need, except maybe a kid.
Very excited, emotions are all over the place, but it's so amazing how time just flies by. Just the other day she was born and here she is today, so we are very excited and we're looking forward to the school year with Cameron.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous for my baby because she's all grown up now and finally in big school. But I know she's going to do really, really well. She's going to make me proud.
Ukuqhubeka kwemvule namandla esifundazweni iLimpopo kubambezele ukuvula kwezikole kwezinye ingxenye zesifundazwe.
Esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal nakhona ke izinkumbi zabafundi sithutheleke ngomningi bazo ezikoleni ke zofunda kuzo kusukela ke namhlanje kubafundi abasebancane abangena onyakeni wabo wokuqala wokufunda ke usuku namhlanje lubeke isahluko esisha kubo.
Bekugcwele injabulo novalo ngosuku lokuqala lokuvulwa kwezikole. Abafundi kade begqoke kahle imfaniswano yabo entsha yesikole, abanye begaxe izikhwama zesikole ezicishe zilingane nabo. Kade bephelezelwa abazali babo. Iningi labo belibonakala lijabule ukuqala ibanga lokuqala. Kodwa ke abazali akade bebukeka benovalo nomunyu ukudlula izingane zabo.
Mama wami dinemincili ndinovuyo enhliziyweni. Le ntombi likhulele kum isencinci umbona elungisela ugrade 1 kulonyaka into enkulu kum leyo endenza ndizive engase umuntu angathangalila kodwa
mfowethu I am very happy ngijabule kakhulu bafowethu ukuthi babuyele esikoleni and ngiyazi ukuthi bayasanda isikole anyway, so anginayo inkinga ukuthi babuyele esikoleni.
Abafundi bebanga lokuqala bazihambele beyongena emaklasini abo, abanye begxuma bejabula, abanye bebheka indawo yabo entsha ngokwesaba.
I have a little bit of new friends and a little bit of my old friends. My old friends and I'm making new friends.
Othisha base Westville Junior Primary bathi sebekulungele ukuqala unyaka omusha wesikole.
We haven't had any tears from children today. The independence has been unbelievable. So what we did yesterday was we had a day where the children could come in, meet their teacher, see their classroom, meet some friends, which made it so much easier today because the teachers then could have the children.
NginguNonhlakani Phumagwaza ezindabeni ze-SABC eThekwini.
Abazali bezingane abangazitholeki izikhala zokufunda bathutheleke emahhovisi omnyango wezemfundo eGauteng njengoba bekhathazekile ke ngohlelo lokubhalisa kwezingane olwenziwa ngobuchwepheshe besimanje. Iningi labazali ke asebeqalile ukukhombisa ukukhathaza kwabo bafuna ukuhlinzwa ke ngokusheshsha izingane zabo ngezikhala zokufunda ezikoleni njengoba ke seyivuliwe ke namhlanje. Intatheli ke ye-SABC uCalvin Dludla uyabika.
Simanzonzo isimo la eminyangweni wezemfundo la eMorningside njengoba abazali bevuke inje ebovu bevuka umbhejazana nebesho ukudla hlaza umnyango ngenxa yokuthi ke bakhala ngokuthi ingane zabo namhlanje iduve emakhaya yile ezikoleni ngenxa yokuthi ke azikho izikhala zokufunda. Njengamanje sizokhuluma ke nomunye umzali esimbonayo ukuthi ke uthukuthele uganunu wabo. Mama sibonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho la eSABC. Kwenze njani yini enithukuthelisa kangaka?
Baba sinenkinga ezikolweni abantwana ababathathi, abantwana singenile online siba register kodwa ezikolweni masifika bathi bafuna ama message wes2 asuka ku-department, so bathi masibuyele back kwi-department. Masifika khona la namhlanje basitshela ukuthi bazosibhalisa amagama wethu nama phone number, bathathe information yomntwana. Bazothatha i10 days yokuthi bafone bafunela abantwana izikolo. So sinenkinga ke ezindlini singabazali, abantwana basezindlini abantwana bayalila bafuna ukuya ezikolweni. So sinalo problem ke singabazali kule ndawo and sikwatile into eyenzakalayo lana senziwa izilima ngenye indlela. ngoba kuzo lezi insuku uzobe uhleli nomntwana endlini bona abanye abantwana bayafunda bayaqhubeka abantwana bethu bazosala manje sikwatiswa yilonto leyo ngoba lana kuthiwa masibuyele emakhaya and then sibuyele ezikolweni and ezikolweni o-members tshele ukuthi masize khona la e-department so bazosinikeza information izinto ezizochaza improve ezothi sibuyile khona la bakwazi ukuthi abantwana babafake ezikolweni.
Umzali ke uthuthele ugane unwabu uyasho ukuthi ke lolu hlelo lusetshenziswa umnyango wezemfundo la eGauteng lokuthi ke abazali babhalise kusetshenziswa ke uhlelo lwe-internet online alisebenzi njengoba namhlanje ingane iduve emakhaya. Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla endabeni ze-SABC ngibika ngise-Morning Side eSandton.
Wabe yibamba lomkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uLieutenant General Khomotso Phahlane wethula ubufakazi phambi kwekomiti ke lePhalamende eliphenya ke ngombutho wamaphoyisa kuleli SAPS. uPhahlane kungufakazi wokuqala ukwethula ke ufakazi ke kuleli komiti ke kulonyaka kanti ke njengamanje sithumela ke nentatheli yeSABC umkhokheli bandla kolandelela ke lolu daba ke ePhalamende. Mkhokheli, ake sikubingelele sikwamukeleke ezindabeni ke zehora lokuqala emini. Ingabe ke ziqhabe kangakanani insolo ezenziwe ke isikhulu sehhovisi likaNgqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uCedric Nkabinde zokuthi kwabe kunomkhankaso wokuqumba phansi ke uPhahlane ukuthi ke angaqoka kwesokuba komkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke?
Right, Dawudi mandibulise kuwe mntakwethu, ndibulise nakombukeli wendaba ze-SABC malanga nje asele sikuvile ngoku kuKhomotso Phahlane kokuba ungqinile into yokuba okwakuthethwa nguCedric Nkabinde kunyaka opheleyo phambi kwale komiti ethutyana uthe ngekabuzwa nokubuzwa ngezo zityholo wathi into yokuba azokwenza phambi kwale komiti yena kuzokuthetha inyani nozokucoca igama lakhe esithi into yokuba okwakuthethwe nguCedric Nkabinde kunyaka opheleyo inyani yodwa okwakuthethwe nguNkabinde ke kunyaka opheleyo xa ngabe sinokukhumbuza umbukeli wendaba ze-SABC. Unkabinde ke ongu-Chief of Staff kwi-office ka-Suspended Minister of Police uSenzo Mchunu wathi into yokuba ke unkabinde into yokuba kwakukho igumgedle okanye ke iyelenqe elalikhokelwa nguye ke uPaul O'Sullivan. uPaul O'Sullivan ke yi-private forensic investigator. Iyelenqe elo gumgedle okanye elo elalenzelwe ukungcolisa igama lakhe uKhomotso Phahlane ngezizathu zokuba ke wayengafuni ukuba kwakusithiwa usondele kwi-political faction ethile kumgedle ke lo athi ke xa ethethayo into yokuba uCedric Nkabinde lalikhokelwa nguPaul O'Sullivan bala kunye ke namalungu athile kumbutho we-Democratic Alliance. Hayi i-Democratic Alliance kuphela koko kuyabala into yokuba kulo plot okanye kolo kumgedle elalinjongo ukungcolisa igama lakhe uKhomotso Phahlane kwakukho ne-Freedom Front Plus kunye ke nombutho we-AfriForum kunye ke nentatheli ethile ekuthiwa yayikhona injongo zelikomgedle ke kwakusithiwa kungcoliswa kwegama likaPhahlane kwabendaba kumaziko abendaba kunye ke nokuqhutywa kwe-operation and seizure kumakhaya akhe uqoqo kunye nokuthathwa kwezinto kwikhaya lakhe. Uthi ke into yokuba ke wayesazi into yokuba yayikhona lo propaganda machinery eyayithunywe ngothile ikhokhelwa nguPaul O'Sullivan. Kubalekile into yokuba sitsho ke into yokuba abo batyholwa nguNkabinde noKhomotso Phahlane ke engqina nayo into yokuba lalikhona lo gumgedle bathi into yokuba akukho gumgedle lalikumila kunjalo. uPaul O'Sullivan wasikhupha istatement esitshoyo esithi yena akazange abe kanti ukhokele gumgedle enjongo yalo ikungcolisa igama likaPhahlane. Kodwa ke kuza kubaleka into yokuba semcela umbukeli into yokuba busiza kuqhuba ubungqina boza kunikezwa nguye uKhomotso Phahlane. Nalapho ke kusafuneka kungenwe inzulu amalungu lekomiti aza kuthatha ithuba ambuze ngqo uPhahlane malunga nezi zityholo afumane ithuba ke lokuba be kanti ungena nzulu kuzo ezo zityholo ezo. Kweziveki izimbalwa ke okanye kwezintsuku zizayo uza kuza uPaul O'Sullivan uza kuthanda ukubaleka kakhulu phambi kwale komiti naye azokucacisa elakhe icala malunga nezi zityholo ukuthi wayekhokela igumgedle lelijolise ukungcolisa igama lakhe uKhomotso Phahlane. Phambi kwale komiti sithetha nje ezinye ke eziveleleyo kule komiti kukuba Uphahlane uthe ubungqina abunikezele phambi kwale komiti ngeaffidavit abuna ugqitywa ngeminenye kuba ke komiti ibithe izamnika iminibenye yokuba aqukumbele ikomiti yakhe iaffidavit yakhe emaphepha ay175 xa sisiva awafake phambi kwale komiti kodwa into yokuba ke akazukwazi ukugqibezela namhlanje but ikomiti ithi iza kubuya ithabathe isigqibo ekubeni ba ekuzafuneka efumene usuku lwesibini aphinda abuye phambi kwayo azokugqibezela isawudecide ke into yokuba suku olo luza kubanini na kodwa ke ingqina elindelekileyo ngomso ndingamcela umbukeli into yokuba ke nguye oyinhloko yezobunhlola nguye ke uadvocate Dumisani Khumalo kulindeke into yoba ke naye athabathe isitulo sokunikezela ngobungqina phambi kwale komiti apha ke eParliament ad hoc committee. Kwangoku masibe sibuyela ku studio Dawood.
Sibonga kakhulu yona ke intatheli yeziko lezindaba ze-SABC umkhokheli ke bantu esibekela bukhoma ke seParliament lapha ke esifundazweni eWestern Cape. Mbukeli ke okwamanje asithi qhu ezitolo sizobuya nezinye izindaba. Bukela sikubingelele sikukhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena kuzo zicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzosithola ngomjalo bazo. Njengoba bekuvulwa ke izikole namhlanje kuzwe lonke bekunomuzwa omunyo nokujabula ke kumfundo ophila ke nokukhubazeka obeyoqala ke ibanga lokuqala esikoleni iHope eSoweto namhlanje.
Bekuvunguza umoya wenjabulo kuKatlego beyoqala ibanga lokuqala esikoleni sabaphila nokukhubazeka iHope.
Morning teacher.
Kodwa kuphilanga isikhathi kwashintsha lokho ngesikhathi abazali bakhe sibemshiya esikoleni sakhe sisha.
Ngesikhathi manje. Say hi to everyone. Hi.
Yize bekubonakala ukuthi kusenzima ukuhlukana nomama wakhe kodwa umama wakhe ubekhona ukwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi konke kuhamba kahle.
My name is Katlego. I'm a boy. I'm 6 years old. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher. I want to study people. My teacher's name is Teacher Maido Chauki. My principal's name is Principal Sembisino Mapala. Teachers and friends, I love you all. Thank you.
Uthishanhloko kulesikole uqinisekise ukuthi bakulungela ukwamukela abafundi abaphila nanoma yikuphi ukukhubazeka njengoba benezinhlobo zodokotela abehlukene ukubhekana nezimo zabafundi abehlukene kulesikole.
We make sure that the school is wheelchair friendly and we also make use of different assistive devices. We've got a fully fledged therapy department that consists of occupational therapists, speech therapists, physiotherapists, and also audiologists and stuff. So we do make sure that we try and get the learners all the support they need and everything to go forward from here onwards. We also make use of class assistants in the class so that the kids also can have extra support when they come to our school.
Imvule namandla idala ukuthi kubambezeleke ukuvula kwezikole ke kwezinye izingxenye zaseLimpopo namhlanje.
Kunzima ukuhamba emgaqweni phakathi kwesigodi imbhodi kanye neHwankwane emva kwemvula ecekele phansi amabloho kanye emgwaqo. Uthi ngicela ukuxwayisa abantu ukuthi bangaweli umfolo ogcwele ngoba kuyingozi.
Mara isingubo.
Izakhamuzi zasembhodi nazo sele dengwane emva kokucekela phansi kwebloho phakathi kwalesigodi neHwankwane.
Mbadalonga Mulambo ndikobva Chipi.
Uthi sibambezelekile lana asikwazi kuyolanda impahla yesikole yezingane ngenxa yokucekeleka phansi kwebloho. Kusenjalo inhloko yezimo eziphuthuma esifundeni iVembe ethi basiqaphe ngelokhozi isimo.
I'd like to appreciate the good work done by our team, also the SAPS for the good job that they've done, also for the community to engage the police when this kind of incident happens. I would also encourage the community when they come across this kind of incident, they should not try and be heroes and try to rescue people. They should inform the relevant authority so that we can come and do the job that we are supposed to do.
Izangoma zezulu zikhipha isixwayiso sesigabeni sesishagalolunye njengoba kulindele ukuthi liqhubeke nokuyidliva kwezinye izingxenye zalesifundazwe.
Ungqongqoshe wezolimo uJohnston Hazen usememezeleke ngeinhlelo zokugonywa kwemfuyo kulandela ukubhidwa kwesifo samatele kuzwelonke. uStan Hazen bebambe isithangami nabeyindaba namhlanje eKapa.
Ukubheduka kwesifo samatele kuqala ukubonakala kakhulu KwaZulu-Natal ngoMbasa ngonyaka owedlule kwasabalala kwaze kwafinyelela esifundazweni ezisikhombisa kuzwelonke. Phakathi kwezinye zesifundazwe ezithintekile ngokubhedwa kwamatele kubalwa iFree State, iMpumalanga, iGauteng, iNorth-West, iLimpopo kanye neWestern Cape.
We will obviously be prioritizing the high-risk zones. We know that KZN is the epicenter, but many other provinces are also suffering. The goal there is of reaching at least 80% coverage in targeted cattle populations, especially in the communal areas, and up to 100% of feedlots and dairy cows.
uStan Hazen uthi bazogxila kakhulu ezindaweni ezibhekwa njengeziyingozi enkulu njengoba umthelelo wezomnotho walenkinga ungagcini njengokulahleka kwemfuyo kuphela kodwa ususabalele kakhulu usongela umkhakha wemfuyo waseNingizimu Afrika wenani lezigidi ezingama-80 zamarandi. Ukhala kakhulu ngabalimi abangazibiki izilwane ezihlaselwe isifo samatele.
Those areas are identified through a scientific process also referred to as a heat map. And that is why it is absolutely essential that outbreaks, wherever they may be, are reported. It is concerning to note that there are outbreaks taking place that are not being reported.
Uthi isifo samatele siyinhlekelele ehezweni kubona bonke abalimi ngakho umnyango ngokusebenzisana nethimba elisungulwe solwazi nochwepheshe uqinisekisa ukuthi umgomo wokunqanda ukusiza ukuqala kokubhebhetheka kwaso ufinyelela kuwo wonke umuntu ngendlela.
Bukeli usale kahle.